What's up, my glam squad, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I decided to do a little anti-Valentine nail art. So I figured, everywhere on YouTube what you're seeing is Valentine's, Valentine's, but I know some people do not celebrate it, so I just wanted to do this little freestyle look. So I'm not going to talk too much in this video because it is a short video, so you guys already know. Go ahead and hit that like button if you enjoyed. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you could be notified anytime I post. And of course, share. And I apologize, you guys. I know I said that I was going to say the winners yesterday, Friday, but I am actually going to post it tonight at 7 p.m. So be on the lookout. All right, so let's start with the video. Alright guys, so first thing is first, as always, make sure you prep your nails. Go ahead and push back those cuticles, file your nails down, and go ahead and remove the shine off your nails. So I already did that here. So right now I'm just cleaning the nails with some alcohol just so the surface could be clean and there is no debris. And as you can see in the back, I already have my Kiara Sky jelly tips ready to put on. I love these jelly tips like I've said before, so if you'd like to purchase them, I will leave them in the link down below. And of course, I'm going to go in with my Kiara Sky jelly tips prep. And after that, I actually put 2 coats as always. And after that, I will be using their Kiara Sky jelly tips primer. And I'm also going to be using 2 coats of that as well. After that, I'm going in with some base coats. So after curing that base coat, we are ready to start applying our jelly tips. So lately I've been loving the polygel method, which is instead of using glue, I have been using polygel to put on my jelly tips. I have to say I have been loving this method a lot lately because I'm one of those people that I'm always having my hands in water constantly, or like when I'm cooking and stuff, like my hands are just always wet. So I feel like the polygel has helped a lot. Not that my nails didn't stay long with glue, but I feel like with the polygel, it does stay longer. And for whatever reason you have polygel coming out of the nail, just go ahead with your little polygel brush with some alcohol and just clean around it. Alright guys, so this is how the nails look after gluing them down with some polygel. And now I'm going to go ahead with my Melody Susie e-file. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend the nails and buff them a little bit. And the reason why I do this is because it's going to look more seamless around the cuticle areas. Usually I don't do it often, but this time I felt like doing it since I am using white and black nail polish. And after that, I'm just going to go ahead with a little buffer. Alright, so after all of that is done, I'm going in with my Valentino Beauty Pure Base Coat. So I'm only doing 1 coat of this base coat, of course. And after that, I'm going to go in with my gel polishes. Alright, so this is how the nails look with some base coat cured. And now I'm going to go ahead and use my Valentino Beauty Pure gel polishes. I'm going to be using number 048 and number 045, which are their black and white gel polishes. And I'm going to be doing 2 coats of each polish. Alright guys, so this is how it looks after putting the gel polishes. Very beautiful, very clean. So now I'm going to go ahead and start with the nail art design. So for the nail art design, I'm not going to speak too much because I kind of went through it a little fast, only because it did take a lot of time. Hand art is something that takes hours and hours, especially if you're a beginner. So I kind of just wanted to show you guys a few clips. So in this nail, I just wanted to share, this was supposed to be Cupid, but clearly my drawing skills are not up there, but I hope you guys get the point. But I ended up liking him at the end. If you're a beginner in nail art, just please take your time. You know, at first things may look a little funny, but eventually the process will come together. Alright guys, and that is the end of this video of my anti-Valentine nail set. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please let me know in the comments below. And if you would like to see more Valentine looks until Valentine's Day, please hit that like button so it can let me know that you guys are enjoying this content, and also let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions. I would be very open to them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to hit that like button before heading out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for whenever I post. And of course, share, share, share. And do not forget, I will be mentioning the winners tonight by 7 p.m. of my Valentine's giveaway. All right, guys, I hope everybody is having a great weekend, and I hope you're all staying safe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.